How to log in to University of Law. So if you want to log into University of Law, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for University of Law login. Once you've searched, here you will have sign in under the University of Law. Simply click on that. Now it will take you to the sign in or the login page. So now to log into your account, first you need to enter your email address or your username on the first blank. So enter your email address and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. And once you enter your password, you can simply click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, you'll be signed into your account under the University of Law if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your University of Law account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.